the Supreme Court, who's heard the petitions on Bihar electoral rolls. Opposition, of course, slamming the SIR drive. But here you have the battle over Bihar's electoral rolls. It's now heard by the Supreme Court. And today in that hearing, the Supreme Court gave out some tough words. The Election Commission, in fact, told the Supreme Court bench that it needs a little more time to complete the SIR, the Special Summary Revision Program, and urged voters not to believe misleading reports. Basically, Election Commission desperately before court said that this is tarnishing the EC's image and the credibility of the Election Commission, and urged people not to fall for the narratives that has been unleashed by the opposition, calling them false. EC says this in court. The court was clear, though, saying that political parties cannot wash their hands off responsibility. Justice Suryakant and Bagchi said that parties must direct booth-level agents to help voters file complaints and objections so no one is left out. So if people fear that their names are deleted or they are left out, then it's the responsibility of the political parties to ensure that they work with the booth-level workers and agents of the Election Commission and help voters file objections and basically ensure that their name is on the list. No matter what, they should not be missed out if they are an eligible voter. Aadhaar verification should be carried out, the court noted. It could take time, and if many excluded voters step forward, then the EC should consider extending the September 1 or September 1st deadline. September 1st is the deadline given by the Election Commission for those who have to be on the electoral roll. Then you've got to submit your documents, enter yourself on the online portals, and you'll be included in the electoral roll. So the Supreme Court really saying that if that deadline should be extended, if at all a lot of people are left out. You can't keep that as a deadline and have people, omitted from that electoral roll. What we know now is over 22 lakh dead voters have been identified by the Election Commission, 36 lakh migrant voters and 8 lakh duplicate voters that has been found in Bihar's electoral rolls, which have been deleted from the list itself. The court has now made it mandatory for all political parties now to engage in ensuring that these electoral rolls are clean, no duplicates, no fakes are found in the rolls. So cleanup of these electoral rolls are mandatory is what the court says, but at the same time help those people who are deleted for whatever reason to get back onto the list. Even if it takes time, do it. The matter now next will be heard on September 15th when the EC must prove that no eligible voter has been excluded.